Hello, families. Welcome to the world of tactile discovery and imaginative play. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of sensory experiences that foster creativity, enhance fine motor skills, and bring endless joy to both you and your child through movement and play. Let's get our hands into some delightful sensory play recipes. Children are natural learners, constantly absorbing the world around them through movement and play. Every environment, whether at home or outdoors, presents a new opportunity for discovery and learning. As the guides to this journey, we have many roles to play, ensuring their safety, sparking curiosity with thoughtful questions about their play, and fostering an environment where every moment can be an opportunity for learning. Consider keeping a bag handy during your adventure, outside in the park or out on a trail, on a walk, anywhere, allowing your child to gather the treasures and the wonders they find. This not only nurtures their sense of exploration, but also adds to their collection of sensory experiences. First up are homemade Play-Doh, a simple mix of flour, salt, cream of tartar, oil, and boiling water. You can personalize it with food coloring, glitter, or even essential oils. Watch as the ingredients blend into this colorful creation, ready for hours of molding and shaping. Remember, the joy is in the journey. Massage the dough until it's perfectly pliable. For storage, wrap it up, keep it in an airtight Ziploc bag, and it's ready for the next playtime. That feels perfect. It's super soft, it's not sticky, it works together, and just part of it just fell on the floor. Next, we're whisking together cloud dough, a heavenly mixture of hair conditioner or hand lotion and cornstarch. It's soft and it's moldable, and it's oh so easy to make. Feel free to add a splash of color for an extra touch of magic. You can even add glitter. And for the out of this world experience, let's create some moon sand. Flour and baby oil come together in this simple recipe that's ready to sculpt and shape. Add some glitter or a few drops of essential oils to make it uniquely yours. Beyond these homemade wonders, nature offers its own sensory playground. Sand, dirt, leaves, pine cones, each element invites a new adventure. Indoors, you can have soapy water, plain water, water with ice. Add shaving cream and put it onto the door, on your sliding glass door. They'll never be cleaner when you hose it off. This is a fun thing to do on ordinary day into sensory exploration. Create sensory bins with these materials for exploration experiences that as educational as it is entertaining. Mix and match these endless possibilities and watch as your child's imagination takes flight. Through movement and play, we not only build strong bodies, but also foster a lifelong love for learning and discovery. So roll up your sleeves, dive in, and let the sensory journey begin. Take a walk, try running or hopping, skipping, jumping jacks, anything that gets you both moving. It's healthy and it's fun. We all learn better when we're having fun. Thank you so much for joining us on this sensory adventure. Keep exploring, keep playing, and keep creating those unforgettable moments of joy and discovery with your child. We are here for you every step of the way. For more tips and support, join our loving community. Together, let's make each day filled with love and laughter.